If you're a cricket fan, then you need to hear this. Day 1 of the India vs Bangladesh test was packed with action and drama. The game kicked off in Kanpur, with Bangladesh taking the crease. Zakir Hassan and Shadman Islam had their work cut out against Indian pacers Bumrah and Siraj. But it was Akash Deep, the debutant, who stole the show early, bagging Hassan for a duck and getting Shadman LBW with a smart review. Najmul Hossain Shanto and Mominul Hake then took charge, putting on a solid 51-run stand before lunch. Things were looking up for Bangladesh at 74-2. But just as the game was heating up, Ashwin struck, trapping Shanto LBW right after the break. The drama didn't stop there. Just 35 overs into the game, rain and bad light forced an early end to the day's play with Bangladesh at 107-3. Stay tuned to see how Day 2 unfolds in this gripping test match.